The Hineura Formation is one of the most common geological units in the Hamilton Basin, made up of sands, silts and gravels. Despite its regular occurrence, geotechnical professionals typically still assume strength parameters for it. They do so using experience combined with field tests and correlations. As a result, geotechnical designs may be overly conservative. While lab testing will be beneficial, this is expensive and only done for large or important projects. The project aim was to develop a range of typical strength values for soils of the Hineura Formation and investigate any spatial variation. From the literature review, it was found that there are many correlations for sand, but very few for silts. The aim was then changed slightly to investigate more silty materials. To develop a range of strength values, soil samples will need to be tested, analysed, and compared with field testing techniques. At present, I have collected samples from 4 locations, as shown in the map, that should give me good spatial variation. At this stage, I'm roughly a week behind schedule. However, access to sites proved somewhat difficult, as this was dependent on external consultancies and the weather. The next steps are to carry out lab testing and analysis. This will include strength tests and characterization tests to classify the soils. Testing and analysis is anticipated to take a couple of months. Some of the lab testing involves preparing samples, then potentially waiting a day or two to get results. During this time, I will be able to begin writing some of the early sections of the dissertation to ensure I am on track and able to meet the final deadlines. Looking to October, the dissertation will be finished. This will provide geoprofessionals with more information on the engineering properties of the Hineura Formation and hopefully typical strength parameters for different silt materials.